As part of my service on the Second Harvest Food Bank Board, I've come to a personal understanding of the issue of hunger. It's real and unfortunately growing both nationally and locally. 1 in 5 individuals are hungry in this country and locally, and more than 2 in 5 children suffer from hunger. The food bank's mission is very simple. It's to feed the hungry by both securing and distributing food in the 8-county region throughout Northeast Tennessee. In 2012, we distributed a record number of pounds, unfortunately, 8.5 million pounds to over 38,000 people in need. While the statistics are both alarming and heartbreaking, the faces of hunger are even more heartbreaking. Individuals, children, the working poor, single moms, single dads, the elderly all suffer from hunger in this region. Grace Fellowship's feeding program is part of the Mountain View Initiative, and the expanded Operation Cooperation Initiative is a great example of what it means to be part of Grace in terms of the outreach. My wife Kathy and I are relatively new members to Grace, and of course we love the church, and we really feel like we found a true church family. But one of the more real important reasons for our love of the church community is the outreach and the focus on outreach that Grace has had since the day we walked in the front door. And that outreach is so important to us, and it lends itself to the external church and meeting the needs of those in the community.
People often ask me what backpack food is, and I tell them it's enough food to feed one child for the weekend. Our children at Mountain View School that we serve and that we partner with Second Harvest in serving, they are really food insecure, and they don't know if they're going to have food to eat on the weekends or not. During the school year, we provide backpack food for these children, and so the whole time they're in school, either Second Harvest or Grace Fellowship is providing them with food every single weekend. And then in the summer, we provide backpack food for the children who are in summer school. Now, those summer school students live all over Johnson City. They're just not in Mountain View School. And many of those students are homeless. And so this is a way for us to fill a need that they have in their life for the homeless population. And then also in the summer, we're expanding what we did last summer. We're not starting just in the month of July like we did last summer. We're increasing our program, and we're starting when school ends, and we're continuing the mobile food pantry until the time school begins. And the families of the 76 children that we have served all year are invited to come to Mountain View School, and from the mobile food pantry they will receive enough food to feed a family of 4 for a week. And so it's a wonderful opportunity for us to partner with Second Harvest and to have our family at Grace come and meet these families from Mountain View School and touch their lives.